Hello friend, welcome back to Stoic Mind Factory. Today I'm going to walk you through how to handle it when a girl hugs you. A lot of guys miss that hugs aren't just simple greetings or signs of affection. They can be a big deal when it comes to showing attraction. The issue is, most guys don't know how to read the situation or respond properly, so they miss their shot. In the next couple of minutes, I'll break down the 4 main types of hugs, explain exactly what they mean, and tell you how to respond so you don't let these moments slip by. In the world of dating, a hug can be more than just a physical gesture. It could be her testing the waters, showing interest, or creating a deeper connection. Women are super intuitive, and they use body language to see if you're paying attention, if you're in the moment, and whether or not you can lead things with just a few gestures. The problem is, a lot of guys miss these signs and end up sending the wrong message, like being uninterested, unsure of themselves, or not understanding how attraction works. But hugs aren't just about being close. They're like silent communication. Things like how long it lasts, how tight she holds you, or where her body is positioned can say way more than words ever would. So let's jump right in and talk about the 4 types of hugs, what they really mean, and how you should respond to each one. Number 1. The quick buddy pat. This one's easy, it's casual, lasts just a second or two, and there's not much body contact, maybe a couple of pats on the back. It's a friendly platonic hug, usually between friends or acquaintances. If she hugs you like this, it probably means she sees you as a friend, not a romantic interest. But don't get discouraged. It's still an opportunity to build attraction. Instead of seeing it as a rejection, think about how you can close the gap, lock eyes, share a laugh, or do something that creates more of a bond. With confidence and a little humor, you can shift things out of the friend zone. Number 2. The lingering hug. If she holds you a little longer than usual and doesn't pull away quickly, it could be a sign of attraction. You'll notice if her body relaxes against yours or if she presses in closer. Pay attention to her breathing. If it slows down and her hands stay on your back, she's comfortable and probably feeling a deeper connection. In this case, don't be the first to break the hug. Stay with her energy. If she stays close, gently place your hand on her lower back or give a soft squeeze. This builds a deeper bond and shows your confidence. The key here is patience. Women notice if you're calm and aware. If you rush out of the hug, it can make you seem unsure. But if you let the moment unfold, she'll feel your grounded energy and be more drawn to you. Number 3. The intimate hug. This is the big one. When she leans in fully, maybe rests her head on your shoulder or neck, and her breath slows down, it's a strong signal that she feels safe and connected, and probably attracted to you. Don't pull away too quickly. Instead, hold her gently and let her feel your warmth and stability. If she doesn't pull away, it might be her way of inviting a deeper connection. Pay attention to small cues, like her tilting her head toward you, tightening her embrace, or lingering in your arms. These signs mean she's looking for more than just a friendly hug. If you notice those signs, don't hesitate. Confidence is key. Stay calm, be present, and respond naturally. A light touch on the lower back, a gentle squeeze, or steady eye contact as she pulls away shows you're confident and in control. Next time a woman hugs you, pay close attention to what's happening. That simple gesture could be saying a lot more than words. Maybe she's testing the waters, showing interest, or pulling you closer. If you can read the situation and respond confidently, you'll never miss an opportunity again.